Yeah, there we go. Looking more that way. Yep. Hold it, hold, hold. Hold. All right, you guys, we're at our next little. All right, you guys, we're at our next little spot. I'm about to have cake sit off the edge of the pier. I know, right? The edge of the pier. What? But yeah. What is that? What the fuck is that? With it, everybody's asking. You guys have been asking a lot, like, what the hell is Kay doing? We've all been asking, but no one really knows exactly what she's doing. So we're just looking at her and trying to figure out what is wrong with her. We're trying to figure out where her.
Welcome back, it's Pre-Locate back again.
It gotta be a better way to get this cheese, huh? Dirty money, clean my problems, hit me if you need some. You could get it 2 for 10, got you if you need one. No coincidence, they only hit me when they need some. Your nigga wanna be a baller, can't be no rerun. Nigga, once it leave my hand, you can't get no refund. Tryna little boy, nigga, I might have to tweet some. Playing with them keys, I might fall around and delete some. Them niggas wanna be a shot caller until them shots call ya. A nigga only live once, so I might raw dog her. Stick it in the pelvis, gotta call me a father. Hot dog, Lizzie, always ready. And I wanna be that man, already am, I still go harder. Bring it straight through, I might put on in the charter. Bro, they brought a freak through it, turn out it's your dog. Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich, man, watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her, drop in, it 1 by 10. Bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin. 20 bowls on the line, I told my brother, bring it in. Living in the lion's den, every day I'm trying to win. I pray to God, forget my sins, he know I'm thugging to the end. 1 by 10, bro, hit my phone, you know I'm trying to spin.
But yeah, so I'm framing up the shot right now. I got this right here, so it's like closer to her than me. So I'm gonna have it out of the frame. I'm gonna be over here, and then she's gonna be sitting right there, but you're not gonna see this at all because it's so far away. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and sit off the edge for me. You're gonna sit off the edge. We're gonna have like your right foot up. Yeah, like that. There you go. And I'm gonna just get right here, you guys, and like frame it. Try to frame it the right way. I have made a reel for it as well, so you guys will be able to see. I'm literally like using this line that you can see right here and this line to lead to her, because all these, I have 2 leading lines. So this back one, this right here is leading line. This right here, as you can see, is also a leading line. This leads to her. This one also in the back leads to her. So with my rule of thirds grid, I will line up those rule of thirds leading lines all to match up to K. So literally, let's see. There you go. I'm getting it as low as possible. 3, 2, 1. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And I have my Taxi PNG camera strap on, so when I'm in that water, I'm not scared. I don't have to worry about dropping my camera because I have my Taxi PNG camera strap. You see what I'm saying? So link in bio, link in description. Look off, look off, look off. There we go. Yep. There we go. Yep. Hold, hold, hold. I'm gonna get real low, you guys, as well. I'm gonna get like down and deep up in the crevice. What's up, Herman? There we go. Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna get real low. There we go. Yep. This is gonna be the thumbnail. They'll be like, what the fuck? How you got that low? But how that boy got that shot? You gotta do what you gotta do for the shot, y'all boys. I need somebody to take a picture of this. I look crazy. Yeah, okay. Look towards the light. Look up that way. Yep, yep, yep. Hold. Switch your hands around. Put the other hand by your face and put that hand. Yep, like that. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep, that's good. Just like that. Yep. Sunbathing. Sunbathing. Yes. The little sun face. We love the sun face. Kay got this one face that she loved to use all the damn time, and that is one of them, boy. Jesus Christ. Put both of the feet down like you're hanging off the side, and then like lean back on both of your hands. Get like that. Yeah. Yep, literally like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It's good though. It's cute. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna move this light with my feet, you guys, as y'all can see. Turning that bit. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Going up on my ISO. Yes. I love like how you can see that there's distance. I got a custom button on here to be able to change it back and forth between each viewpoint. Okay, look at her cleaning the legs and shit. Look that way, look that way, look that way, face that way. Yep. Hold, yep. Hold, don't move. There we go. Don't move. I'm gonna go set this on those rocks. Watch my camera. I'm gonna get a different POV, like from like seeing me hang off type shit. All right, I'm giving y'all another point of view. I'm gonna come over here and give y'all the point of view of how it looks. There we go. Yeah, y'all got a good ass little angle, boy. Good ass little angle. Y'all about to see all this. Yee. Like, Kay, it's summer, bro. We just gotta, bro. It's been less than 14 days. We've shot only for 7 days straight. This is like the 8th day now. So if you think about it, like, bro, in 8 days we made so much damage. Like, if you look at Instagram, we made so much damage on Instagram and YouTube. Yeah. In just 8 days, bro. All right, so I got it framed up. You guys can see how I'm looking right now. You know what I'm saying? I'll take a picture of y'all boys. Y'all boys look cute. Hold on. Let me show y'all boys how y'all look, man. Y'all look real cute right now, you know what I'm saying? Y'all look real cute right now and shit. me show y'all how y'all look. Cause y'all gonna be like, whoa, we're all the way over there? Yes, y'all are all the way over there. Turn my flash trigger back on. The way that I'll be able to go back and forth between regular mode and flash mode, you guys, is literally the, my pocket open, Ben. But there's a button on my trigger that I could turn off and turn on. So I just turn that off. But you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys how I hang off this bit. They're doing engagement photos over there. That's hard. Bro, I gotta use this location again. You hard, bro. You done been giving me some shit, no cap. Cause I'm gonna do some engagement here. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. There we go, 3, 2, 1. The lighting changed, you guys, so I gotta go down to my ISO. Boom, just like that, 3, 2, 1. Boom, 3, 2, 1, hold it. Boom. Boom, hold it. Yeah, there we go, looking more that way, yep. Hold it. Hold. I'm gonna lay this way just to make it look more like, crazy in the video. Yeah, I do shit for the video, y'all. I do, and what? There we go, hold it. 3, 2, 1. There you go, 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep, hold. Kind of turn your face like more that way, to the right, yeah. There we go, yep, hold, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. There we go, yep, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go, one more, yep, hold. One more, I'm gonna get one more. I'm gonna get an angle from this side right here. Huh? Now they're trying to figure out what it is. They watching the show. Hold, 3, 2, 1, yep. They're like, oh, these humans over here, ain't nobody ever did this before. There we go, one more. 3, 2, 1, and one more. 3, 2, 1, yep. Thank you guys for watching, man. It's been a whole lot. You guys finished out the series. But yeah, man, you finished out the series, man. I appreciate y'all for finishing out the series. We're on to a new series. Not even necessarily a series. It's not gonna be like a challenge maybe, but just like trying to be more consistent and like dropping more videos consistently. Maybe not like necessarily daily, every single day, but I'm gonna try to do it every single day because I put that dedication into Instagram and I got 25,000 followers. And if I put that same dedication into YouTube, I'm pretty sure we could grow that as well. So I want to grow you guys. I want to grow this family. I really love you guys. I really appreciate you guys. I just want to say thank you for everything that you guys do for us, me and Kay. Thank you guys for following both of us on Instagram. Go follow her. Go tap in. Follow me. Tap in. If you follow me, you follow her basically because our posts are the exact same post. So yeah.
Hi.
You have nothing to say?
Keep supporting us. You know, we're making our dreams come true out here, and we need y'all to help us. So.
It's literally a necessity. You guys have to help us, bro. Like, we can't do this without y'all. Until next time.
Taxi.
Yeah! Hey, man, say, man, free my nigga, man. Watch, bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?